Hello! Today I will give you a very delicious Supangle recipe that you can make at home. Let's move on to the recipe. Place half a cup of water in the refrigerator to cool thoroughly. We will use this water in the final step. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 2 heaping tablespoons flour. 3 heaping tablespoons cocoa powder. 6 tablespoons granulated sugar. 2 egg yolks. Mix all the ingredients well using a spatula or a whisk. Gradually add the milk to the mixture while continuously stirring to achieve a smooth consistency. Adding the milk slowly helps prevent lumps from forming in the mixture. Once all the ingredients are well combined, place the pot on medium heat. Cook while stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and bubbles appear. Be careful not to cook on high heat to avoid the bottom from burning. Once the mixture has thickened, remove it from the heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter. And 2 packs of dark chocolate. Stir until the chocolate and butter are fully melted and well combined. Pour in the chilled half cup of water from the refrigerator and mix well. The cold water will help the Supangle achieve a smooth and shiny texture while preventing a skin from forming on top. Cocoa cake for cups. Cut the cocoa cake into small pieces and place a few pieces at the bottom of the cups. The cake will add a delightful texture and flavor to the Supangle. Supangle evenly into the prepared cups over the cake pieces. After filling, place the cups in the refrigerator to chill for a few hours. Once the Supangle has cooled and set, it's ready to serve. Decorate the top with your choice of toppings, such as fruit slices, grated chocolate, or nuts for a decorative touch. Your Supangle is now ready to be enjoyed. Share this delicious dessert with your loved ones and enjoy every spoonful. Bon appétit!